What does technology mean for Nordea? It is definitely one of the key aspects where we wouldn't be the leading bank. We're very much interested in being the leading bank when it comes to omni-channel for our customers, so that they can choose the way they want to interact with the bank. I think that's a bit what many banks have seen before, is that they have a nice front end, but when it comes to the back, it actually tends to be quite manual. So from our point of view, clearly one important part is that we also then automate a lot of the back-end processes.
So we tried out robotics. We chose Blue Prism as our platform provider. We built over 570 robots. Out of those 570, we have around 380 being in production. Those bots last year on average brought back to business more than 1,000 FTEs. What is actually interesting about Blue Prism as a platform as well is that enables multiple integrations, which actually makes it possible for you to think broader. It's not only robotics, it is enabling intelligent automation.
When we look at something like robotics, we're not just buying a one-time service. It is that we build our robotics now based on Blue Prism. We need to look at this as a longer-term partnership. From my point of view, it has been very good. It was very clear that Blue Prism was the one which had the edge when it came to the actual technology.
What is, I would say, super unique about Blue Prism and what was important for our choice was basically that it is easy to use. It has certain frameworks which allow business people to do automation, which is kind of unique. Of course, you need training and you need to have a vibe for that. But at the end of the day, our robotics COE is located on the business end. We serve all business areas right now, so it does not matter if it's front, middle or back end of the bank, if these are processes that are valid for the customers or if it's internal administration. There's potential is everywhere.
We have used the robotics process automation quite a bit on our financial crime mitigating actions. So where we would have needed hundreds of people to do certain tasks, we've actually been able to then put robotics in there. The other thing it has helped us with is the mindset of thinking our processes not from a way of how do we just automate a previously manual process, but how do we think of our processes from the point of view of data. So sometimes more and more we actually have human beings helping robots rather than robots helping human beings.
What I think is really exciting is that we are now reaching a point when we're looking at how intelligent automation can influence the customer journey. And so the lens is changing.